Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. As you can see in this long wall of text, we want to find the total nitrogen oxide emitted per household for 1 year. Okay, note that nitrogen oxide, I'm just going to call it NOx, N-O-X. Alright, step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. We got a vehicle, it's producing 12 kilograms of NOx. Step 2, list all the given variables and find the unknown. So, as you can see in this long wall of text, they give you the relevant information, but they also give you irrelevant information. So, these type of questions are more comprehension. Sometimes they're in midterms, sometimes they're in exams. Personally, it's more of just understanding what the question wants. Alright, so you got 2 cars per household, 12 kilograms of NOx per car, 4.4 grams of NOx per therm, 1,201 therms per year, 9,001 kilowatt hours per year, 7.2 grams of NOx per kilowatt hour, and we want to find the total amount of NOx or nitrogen oxide produced per year per household. Step 3, find the formula for the amount of NOx produced. So we've got 3 sets and we add them together. So the first set is the number of cars multiplied by the number of NOx produced per car. Second set that we add is the amount of electricity consumed multiplied by the amount of NOx per kilowatt hour. Third set that we add is the amount of gas consumed multiplied by the amount of NOx per gallon. Step 4, we plug and play. So 2 cars multiplied by 12 kilograms of NOx per car. We add the next set, which is 9,001 kilowatt hours per year, multiplied by 0.0072 kilograms of NOx per kilowatt hour. So we converted the grams to kilograms. We do this because everything is in kilos, so we want to make sure it matches the units. Also, since it is a large amount over 1 year, we're going to assume the final unit is going to be in kilograms. Alright, so our third set that we need to add is the multiplication of 1,201 therms per year multiplied by 0.0044 kilograms of NOx per therm. Okay, so the total amount of nitrogen oxide, NOx, produced per household per year is 94.09 NOx kilograms per year. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Thanks for watching. Okay, before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. Open up the program. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program, click on video option, click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button and snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square and snipping tool, wait for the recording to stop, and then save your video. Alright, so like and subscribe, share with your friends, because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.